Buying your first truck is quite the experience. In a lot of ways, it's a lot like a rite of passage and something that most of us have experienced at one point or another. Many of us buy our first trucks when we're still in high school, sometimes as young as 15 or 16 years old. It's a glorious and memorable experience that many of us remember for the rest of our lives. However, if you're anything like me, you can only leave your truck stock for so long. I don't think I've ever owned a vehicle more than a few weeks without inevitably modding it in some way. I'm Dustin with Custom Offsets, and today we're gonna be sitting down and going over our top 5 picks for mods for your first truck. Before we jump into that list though, if you're looking for any of the mods on this list, you can find pretty much all of them right on our website, which is customoffsets.com. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button so we can keep making content like this and you guys can keep up with it. Pro tip, we upload every single day.
Every single day? Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, dude, for real. It's a real thing. Okay, back to the list. Kicking off our list at the number 5 spot is an exhaust system, and it's important to note that I said exhaust system. Trust me, I know how easy it is to just get up under the old pickup truck with a Sawzall and hack the muffler right off. I mean, ask Cody Banker. He did it to a brand new 2020 Silverado. An exhaust system is a simple, easy, and effective first mod that you can do to your truck, and the best part is, they're usually pretty inexpensive to boot. Bolt-on catback exhaust systems can be had starting at around $500 and usually only take a few hours to install. If custom is more your style, you can also get a pretty nice mandrel bent exhaust system made up by your local muffler shop for a few $100. Either way, you really can't go wrong with a good exhaust system on your truck. It'll sound good, it'll look good, and it even gives you a couple extra HPs to boot. For all those reasons, an exhaust system is number 5 on our list of the best mods for your pickup truck. Coming in at the number 4 spot are some of my personal mods for any style truck, and that's lighting. Specifically here, we're gonna be talking about headlights and or taillights. There are some absolutely awesome products on the market and they're still pretty affordable. We carry Recon lighting products and have been absolutely thrilled with them thus far. Recon offers some of the best quality LED lighting products you can buy on the market. LED lighting can completely change the look of your truck and for not a lot of money. Additionally, these lighting products offer both form and function by giving you better light distribution on the headlights and better visibility on the taillights, meaning that you won't get rear-ended in a crash. For all the reasons above, LED lighting is the number 4 on our list. Up next in the number 3 spot is probably one that doesn't get thought about very often in the gas pickup world, which is flash tuning.
What are you talking about? I think about that all the time.
If you're not familiar with it, flash tuning is a process of rewriting your factory engine control unit, or ECU for short, with a new fuel map. This allows you to optimize the fuel and air coming into the engine in order to achieve maximum horsepower output from your truck. Typically, this had only been done on diesel engines in the past, but as engine management software has progressed over the last 10 to 15 years, guys have also began tuning their gas pickups. In today's market, you can get an off-the-shelf tune for pretty much every major manufacturer's truck on the market, making this our number 3 best mod for your truck. Coming in at number 2 on the list is probably the biggest and heaviest product on this list, which are bumpers. While definitely not the cheapest on the list, the fact still remains that bumpers can really round out a full build and also provide some function as well. If you're looking for clearance, an aftermarket bumper can give you more room for larger wheels and tires up front with less trimming than without it. Additionally, it can give you more approach angle should you find yourself, I don't know, scaling a rock wall or something? Companies like Addictive Desert Designs, Road Armor, Body Armor, and Rough Country all make high quality bumpers for most applications. Most aftermarket bumpers have cutouts for light bars or cubes, meaning you can have more light when you need it most. For having your back when you need it most on or off the road, bumpers are number 4 on our list. Whew. All right, we made it. Number 5, the big one. And honestly, I think you guys already saw this coming. I mean, we are Custom Offsets and all. Coming in the top spot on this list is none other than wheels and tires. For real though, you guys had to have seen this coming, right? When it comes down to modifying your first truck, there's nothing quite like buying a new set of wheels and tires. It's an easy and simple way to stand out from the crowd, and it can be done literally at any time during your ownership of the truck. Heck, I've seen guys take trucks right off the dealership lot and toss a set of wheels and tires on it, and the results are stunning. Again, we're talking about Cody Banker here. Even without any other modification to the truck, wheels and tires will still completely change how your truck looks. And the best part is, you can get your wheels and tires mounted, balanced, and shipped right to your door, right from our website, customoffsets.com. This means all you have to do is jack your truck up and bolt them up. Well, there you have it, guys. There's our top 5 mods for your first truck. Did we miss one? Let us know down in the comments section below. And as always, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the video so we can keep making banging content just like this. Peace.